1. Model confirmation. To ensure better installation, please understand the module structure before installation. Front structure. Back structure. Frame. You can find 3 labels on each module. You can get more information about the module on the nameplate. 2. Unloading and storage. Choose a solid and flat place for unloading. Upon goods arrival, please check if external package is intact. Module model and quantity is right based on the delivery order. If there is any problem, please take a photo and confirm with the driver. Record the package ID and detailed description of the problem on the receipt form. Modules can be unloaded by forklift or crane. The lifting weight of the forklift should be over 3 tons during operation. The gap between backrest and pallets should be 1/4 of the pallet at most. The backrest must be cushioned. Don't drop the package quickly. When loading with a crane, please use with special tooling to prevent the straps from squeezing the pallet and causing module damage. Please adjust the position of straps to keep the module balance. Max 2 boxes lifting every time. Don't drop the package quickly. Upper and lower packages should be aligned for stacking. No more than 2 layers can be stacked. Keep the wrapping film and cardboard intact in storage. For outdoor storage, cover with waterproof cloth in rainy days, and ensure water drainage adequately at the site to prevent the pallets from soaking. 3. Unpacking. Please use proper transportation tools to ship the modules. After modules delivery, please check module model, power, current, quantity, etc. on shipping label. Ensure same current ratings are stacked together. Ensure the external package is intact before opening. Use a knife to remove straps and wrap film. Do not remove violently to avoid scratching modules in the box. Open the package and carefully check module quantity and the barcode on the frame to see if consistent with the shipping label. Before removing the internal straps, please make protection to prevent the whole package of modules from falling over. 2 persons should hold the short frame and take out the module together, and then place it on the pallet steadily. Do not take the module out alone, because the module may be damaged or cracked by slipping. When stacking up, put the glass side of the first module on top. The rest of glass sides are facing downward. Upper and lower modules should be aligned. It is suggested that modules stacked on the same pallet limited to its maximum. Don't squeeze or knock on any part of the module. Don't stand or put heavy objects on the module to avoid internal crack. Do not touch the junction box or metal connecting cable to avoid electric shock. Before installation, carefully check whether the front and back of the module are abnormal. If any problem, please keep records, take photos, and contact JA staff immediately. 4. Mechanical installation. Use clamps or mounting holes to install module and track. Please use the specification recommended by JA. Any other installation method should be approved by JA. Clamps installation. The clamps should not contact the glass or deform the frame in any way. The clamp's contact surface with the front of the frame must be flat and smooth to prevent damage to the frame or the module. Avoid shading effects from clamps. Avoid block from clamps to the drainage hole. Bolt installation. 5. Electrical wiring. For electrical wiring, please use diagonal pliers to cut cable ties to avoid scratching the cables and the backsheet. Light-resistant cables targeted for the PV system should be used, which must meet system design requirements on the current. Fix the cable on the rack to avoid mechanical damage to cable or module. Avoid cable damage caused by heavy pressing or improper cable management system. Do not pull the junction box or the connector violently, which may cause connection failure. Avoid direct sunlight and water immersion of the cable. Keep the connector dry and clean. Ensure connector caps are tightened before connection. Don't connect under wet, dirty, or other improper conditions. Prevent the connector from direct sunlight, immersion in water, or resting on floor or the roof. Insert the positive and negative connectors in turn, according to electrical design. When you hear a click, it means the connection is in place. Please use straps to fix the cable on the frame or track, to place connector behind the module after connection. Wrong connection may cause electric arcs and shocks. Check and ensure stable electrical connection. Ensure related connectors are completely locked. Ensure proper IP protection level for interconnection between connectors to meet electrical safety standards. Connectors of different models are not recommended to be matched. Avoid connectors to contact organic solvents or other corrosive materials. When a diode failure is known or suspected, the installer or the system maintenance provider should contact JA Solar. Do not open the module's junction box by yourself. Prevent inductive lighting, backflow, and wrong connection. Grounding only applies to modules with a frame and is not required for frameless dual-glass models. The frame of the module must be grounded for safe use and protection from lightning and static electricity. The grounding device must fully contact the inside of the aluminum alloy and penetrate the oxide film on the frame surface. Do not drill any additional grounding holes on the frame of the module. To obtain the best power output, JA recommends that modules be installed with anti-PID inverter. 6. Cleaning and inspection. Dust on glass will reduce power output and may even cause hot spots. Please clean the modules periodically. To avoid electric shock, do not clean the modules with broken glass or damaged cables. Try to clean during weak light period, such as in the morning and evening, at night, or on cloudy days. Sponges, non-woven fabrics, and other soft materials and glass brush, can be used for cleaning. Don't use hard objects such as blades and steel balls to clean the modules. Do not stand or walk on the modules. Various types of commercial glass cleaners can be used to clean. Don't use grinding powder, polishing agent, alkali solution, gasoline, or steam to clean. The pressure of the flushing water shall not exceed 690 kilopascals. The temperature difference between the water and the module should be between -5 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius, and the pH is between 6 to 8. Visually check the appearance of the module to see whether there is any defect, especially glass crack. It is suggested to check connectors and cables once every 6 months. Check the connector sealing and whether the cables are firmly connected. Check whether the sealant is broken and if there is a crack.